What if I told you that one of the most powerful creative tools in history didn't start in a massive tech company, but as a simple experiment by a PhD student? A project meant just to display grayscale images ended up transforming photography, design, film, and even how we see reality itself. Today, we're diving into the incredible story of Thomas Knoll, the mind behind a revolution that changed digital imaging forever. Hey there, let me tell you about this incredible story of Thomas Knoll and how he basically revolutionized digital imaging. Back in the mid-1980s, when computers were just starting to get really interesting, this PhD student at the University of Michigan had this wild idea that would end up changing everything. Thomas and his brother John, who worked at Industrial Light and Magic, started out with this simple project called Display, just trying to show grayscale images on monochrome screens. But wow, did that little project turn into something massive. By 1987, they realized they were onto something big and approached Adobe. In 1988, Photoshop was born. This wasn't just another computer program. Photoshop completely transformed how artists, photographers, and designers could work with images. Suddenly, people could edit photos with incredible precision, create mind-blowing graphics, and bring their wildest creative ideas to life. It was like giving artists a whole new set of superpowers. The impact? Huge. Photography, fashion, advertising, everything changed. Social media platforms like Instagram basically took Photoshop's core ideas and made image editing something anyone with a smartphone could do. But it wasn't all just cool effects. This technology sparked some serious conversations about image authenticity and representation. For artists and designers, Photoshop became absolutely essential. Digital illustrations, marketing designs, film effects, nothing was the same after this. It basically legitimized digital art as a serious form of creative expression. Now we're looking at an era of AI and machine learning, where image creation is becoming even more accessible. But here's the thing: Thomas Knoll's legacy isn't just about the technology. It's about pushing creative boundaries and understanding how we communicate visually. What started as a student project ended up reshaping how we see and interact with images. Pretty amazing when you think about it, right? Thomas Knoll didn't just create a software, he opened up a whole new world of creative possibility. If you enjoyed this story and love learning about the people and ideas that shape our digital world, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more deep dives into technology, creativity, and innovation. And don't forget to share this video with someone who loves design, photography, or tech history.